welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day and I wanted to share a really simple, kind of dramatic tutorial with you guys using products that hubby bought me for Valentine's Day. I already did my brows off camera, but he did surprise me with the Bomb Ass Brows by Desi Perkins and Benefit. So this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. The packaging is so nice. I will do a haul video for you guys because I have gotten a lot of makeup within the past 2 weeks. He also picked up this awesome Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette for me as well for Valentine's Day. And the packaging couldn't be any more stunning. You just open it like this and it's got 2 mirrors and 6 products in there. Some are blushes and I believe 2 of them or 1 of them is a highlighter. I do use this in my tutorial that you will be watching after this. And then he also picked up the Dose of Colors Katie and Desi. This is the Chasing the Sun. I did use this in the tutorial. I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep this. I believe it's just a little bit too dark, but we are going to be going into spring and summer. So if I'm going to tan, I think this will look really pretty. I did use it in the tutorial, like I said before. It's just like a really nice bronzy highlight. And then he also picked up this gloss for me by Dose of Colors with Desi and Katie, and the shade is The Most. It's kind of like an iridescent white gloss that you can pretty much wear or use on top of any lipstick, just to give it like that really nice reflex shimmer to it. I'm not too sure if I like it, but I did put it on in the tutorial. And then I'm actually using one of the palettes by Morphe Cosmetics, Bling Boss by Jaclyn Hill. Just because it did have like some really pretty shimmers and some plums and berries. I thought this would be really pretty to use for any night out, especially today. I'm wearing this pink sweater. I thought it would just bring out my eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let's just jump right into it.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance.